Take a ride in 2021 Venza. Toyota Venza blends the attributes of a crossover SUV with those of a wagon. Venza boasts a spacious interior, a powerful and efficient engine, a pleasant driving demeanor, innovative interior storage, and strong crash test scores. You're more than one thing, so is Venza. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, chrome wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Come take a test drive today.